Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So into this video I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Jeanette collection extended part lace Kelly in the color honey blonde, and this is part of their extremely deep part lace. That's interesting. And it's a Swiss lace. It's 100% premium fiber, so that's nice. Let me see, is it heat safe? It doesn't say that, but I'm gonna take it out of the box and see what Miss Kelly looks like. So this is what don't touch it. I'm talking to my pet. This is what the model looks like on the stock card, and she's wearing orange Cooper, I believe, and the honey blonde one. So it's heat safe up to 360 degrees. That is awesome. Oh. So this is Miss Kelly. Let me cut this out. So this is Kelly straight out the box. I'm loving it already. I love the wave and I love the length and the color. I can't wait to see what she looks like. But this is what the parting space looks like. It is deep, so I guess that's why they say extremely deep. So I believe it's about 6-inch deep. But the parting specs looks okay. It comes with lace all around. So for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs right up here and 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. So this nice. You know, I'm gonna go put Kelly on and I will be back. So I'm back with Kelly. The lace is cut and I love it. I love it. Like, this is awesome, y'all. Like, look at this. I love this. Like, and this is what the parting space looks like. I plucked it. I hope I didn't, yeah, I plucked it and it looks awesome. I plucked it a lot. This is all the hair that I plucked out. I went crazy, but anyways, this looks awesome. It is awesome. I love it. Look at the wave. It's like, hey summer, where you been at? I've been ready. But yeah, I love it. I love the color. I love the curl pattern. It is just, it's just awesome. It's perfect. Perfect. I just want to give a shout out to Is That Your Hair? Because I saw her review on this and I was like, I have to get it. I must get it. And here I am. I got it. So thank you, girl. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But yeah, I love it. I know I've said I love it way too many times, but I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around. Yeah, this is Kelly. What do you think? I used my flat iron, well, my hot iron, whatever you may call it, to just lay the top to a little bit flat, and it is awesome. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.